Oos! It says, hey, what's up, Konchop? So this video, more cool stuff from amiami and akihabara. And in this video, we take a look at Megahouse's precious gem, Rengoku Kyoujurou. And this is the honoo no kokyuu, go no kata, Enkou, which is this flaming tiger skill. And this is coming out in August of 2023 at a price of 5,000 which is 55,000 yen. Well, a little expensive, but that flame tiger effect looks really awesome. And if you like Kimetsu no Yaiba, I think you would like this a lot. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Thanks for watching.